Mr. Speaker, a raft of statistics shows the NDP have been failing Manitobans when it comes to the health of our children. The Healthy Baby Community Program, which has been running under the NDP for some 12 years, has failed to reach over 3/4 of the children and families who are most in need. One result is the recent report on Manitoba's children and youth, a report which shows on page 51 that children in Manitoba are progressively less prepared for school and continue to fall behind the rest of Canada in school readiness.
No one fails.
I asked the Minister of Children and Youth Opportunities, what specific actions is he going to take to reverse the current direction of the province and improve the school readiness of children?
Made several significant investments in young children and families, not the least of which is the Healthy Child Program. The entire envelope's over $28 million, $4.5 million for people, starting with a prenatal benefit, starting with home visits, starting with the ability to have access to a nurse. Our daycare program has been converted into an early childhood learning program, and we have very significant resources all throughout Manitoba that help young families get off to a healthy start, and we will continue to do that. And I just say to the member opposite, I appreciate him raising the question, but when it comes to actually voting resources for these types of activities, he's never there to support those votes in the budget where it really counts, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, Manitobans continue to be amazed at a government which can spend so much and still be going in the wrong direction with fewer children being ready for school. Mr. Speaker, the Free Press editorial today refers to the pittance of support that the NDP provides in the right direction as being a powerful symbol of the low priority of the government places on helping children at risk. With $81 a month available to eligible new mums, averaging $2.70 a day, the distance it will go in Winnipeg alone when 2 liters of milk from a 7-Eleven is $4.09, and other things are very expensive. Add to this that many people in need are not even receiving this pittance, and you have a problem. I asked the Minister of Children and Youth Opportunities, when will he actually connect the people who need it to the supports that are there for them?
Speaker, we've increased the Northern Food Allowance 7 times. We've put in place a prenatal benefit, which does not exist elsewhere in the country, Mr. Speaker, widely admired around the world. We've got over 900 community gardens in the north right now, Mr. Speaker, and we've increased the minimum wage so that when people go out and get a job, they can earn an extra $6,800 a year. And all of these interventions are at a time when we have the second lowest unemployment rate in the country, and a plan to build our economy to create thousands of jobs in remote parts of the province where the members at opposite, including the ones making the most noise as we give an answer, would halt those projects, put those people on the unemployment rolls, give them no hope for a brighter future. We want to build the north with our hydro resources, with housing, with employment and training, and ensure young families have families with sustainable incomes for the future. That's our plan for the future. The members opposite would bury all that and do absolutely nothing, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, this government is spending so much and going in so many directions, but achieving so little for the children of Manitoba. When we have a government which is dictatorial and non-democratic, refusing to listen to people and have a referendum on an increase in the sales tax, it gives Manitobans the message that the NDP government is not for people in our province.
They don't care.
And what we are seeing with disadvantaged children in Manitoba is their situation is getting worse. I ask, what specific measures will the NDP government take to reverse the damage it has done over a generation of disadvantaged children who have been born since they came to power in 1999.
The child poverty rate in Manitoba since 2000, according to the market basket measure, has gone down 28%. The members opposite, the Progressive Conservative Party, refused to make the national child benefit available to people on social assistance. That cost them over $500 a month. Then they went and slashed benefits $150 a month. So you're up to $650 a month out of the pockets of Manitobans. We've put all that money back. We've raised the Northern Food Allowance, we've raised the minimum wage, and we're building more housing and more jobs. What is the results, Mr. Speaker? 28% reduction in child poverty, second lowest unemployment rate in the country, one of the highest participation rates in the economy, University College of the North educating Northern people under Northern governments, Northern governance like we've never seen before. If we followed the recommendations of the members opposite, more people would be unemployed, more people would have less money in their pocket, and more people would have a bleak future. We're building for the future of Manitoba, including
Order, please.
young
First
children.
Minister's time has expired.